Hi there. I want us to meet one of my clients who I'm going to name John. John had high hopes for his lead magnet. He created one and he thought, wow, this ought to fly. It was like a free guide designed to attract clients. But after a few weeks of sharing it on social media, the downloads barely came in. And I'm sure that sounds familiar with some entrepreneurs because they craft a lead magnet and they hope it will resonate, but then it doesn't. So what could John do about it? I'm going to give John, or I'm going to give you 3 strategies that you can follow if your lead magnet is not converting as much as you expected it to. So let's look at the first thing that I would do. The first thing that I would do if your lead magnet is not converting is to make sure that you choose the right type of lead magnet. Have you chosen the right type? If I'm going to create a lead magnet right now, you know what? The first one I'm going to do will be like a customized GPT. I'll go onto ChatGPT and I'll customize something which I think the client actually wants. I could create a lead magnet that is a report, a case study, or an infographic. I could create those because choosing the right type of lead magnet for your clients is extremely important. The second thing that I told John to watch out for was he needed to get out there with your lead magnet. You're going to need to go all out for it. And one of the ways that you can do that is to make sure you run ads or you embed your lead magnet in a book. Actually, if that slide can come back, you see what I mean. You would be able to embed it in a book. You'll be able to create a video. Actually, let me go back to the book thing because that's really important. One time I created a lead magnet and I put it in a book and I asked people if they wanted to receive the template, they should always come back to me. So I got a lot of emails of people requesting that particular template. It was a cash flow template and lots of people requested it. So that's a good way to do it. You could actually create a video and then promote that video offering your lead magnet. But you got to get out there, run some ads on Facebook or on Google. Could really help to get your lead magnet out there. All right. The third advice that I gave John, which I'm also giving you, is that you need to stay persistent. It takes time for your lead magnet to gain traction. So be consistent, keep on doing what you're doing that you know works. Here's the question that I have for you finally. What's your go-to type of lead magnet? And have you found other creative ways to make it work? Do let me know. Comment below and I'll see you in the next video.